the side of a cube increases at a rate of 12 meter per second. Find the rate at which the volume of the cube increases when the side of the cube is 4 meter. So a cube is like this, with all the width, length, and height has the same length, right? So we will have the volume here. The volume is equal to width. Okay, we need to multiply width by length by height, but all of them is x. So we will have P here is equal to x times x times x. So we get the volume here is equal to x to the third power. And then the side of each of the cube increases at a rate of 12 meter per second. So we know that it is increasing here, so it will grow there, and it also grows there, and it also grows there. So the cube gets bigger, right, with a rate of dx dt here. So we'll have dx dt is equal to 12 meter per second. Good, but we need to find out the rate at which the volume of the cube increases. So we need to find out dv dt, right? So dv dt, and we know that the volume is x to the third power here. However, this is x variable, right? So we differentiate the volume here with respect to x first. But to get the dv dt, we multiply this by dx dt. And by doing this way, this dx will cancel each other, and this is called the chain rule, right? When we cancel out this dx. Okay, now we can calculate this part here, right? dv dx. Why? Because we have this function here, v is equal to x to the third power. We can just use the power rule. So we'll have dv dt here, and the power will goes down into coefficient, so we'll have 3x, and we need to decrease the power here by 1, so I'll have 3x squared. Multiply that by dx dt, and I think we can have all of them, right? Because we are given when the side of the cube is 4 meter. Okay, so we know the x here, and also we already given dx dt. So let's plug in the numerical values here when x is equal to 4 meter. So we will have dv dt here, dv dt when x is equal to 4. So all that we need to do is plug in the values here. So we will have 3, x is 4, so we'll have 3 multiplied by 4 squared, and then multiplied by dx dt. Okay, we have dx dt is this one here, so multiplied by 12. Okay, so we will have this equal to 3 multiplied by 16 multiplied by 12, and that will equal to 48 times 12. And what is 48 times 12? What is it? Maybe I don't want to use calculator. Let's just use it here. 48 times 12. Here we will have 6 and carry is 1. So we'll have 96 and then 48 like this. So we'll have 6, 9 plus 8 is 7, and then 1 is the carry, so I'll have 576. Okay, so we'll have 576. But then let's just erase this one here, because that is just my calculation and not important to this problem. Okay, 576. And now the unit. Remember that the volume here is the side cube, so we will have the unit is meter cube, and then the unit of time here is in second, so I will have meter cube per second. And that is the answer for this problem. 576 meter cube per second. Hopefully I did not make any mistakes during my calculation. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and then leave me a comment as a feedback. And once more, thank you for watching. See you in the next video. Bye bye.